welcome to Market Watch with Block. Today we're going to be looking at solely Bitcoin and what it's doing. Have we broken the 50k yet? Are we going to? Let's find out how and if. So, of course guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you can also hit the notification button and that'll let you know as soon as these videos drops. You can get in on the BTC action. And not to blow our own trumpet too much, but we're pretty damn accurate, so make sure you don't miss out. Now, on yesterday's analysis on the premium channel, we had a little kind of zone that we drew on, and this was between, 49.8k to 50.5k, which in my opinion is something of a no trade zone, because realistically the price can shoot in any direction. I just don't think it's worth it when we can just wait until it drops below or above these marks and we can get a bit more of a confirmed direction, which is exactly what happened yesterday. And we dropped below the 49.8k and the target for us was 48.5k, just where this dotted blue line ends, and that was a nice little 2.5% short on there. And we ended it there to see whether it would bounce or whatever. But what was quite interesting here, it came down to the 48.5k support, and it also helped us with printing on a new upward trend line. It bounced very, very hard, and it even challenged back up to 50.5k. Again, falling into this region where I'm just not interested in trading. We saw a hard rejection, and it is coming back down out of the no trade zone. So from here, it is starting to paint a bit of a picture, and more so of an ascending triangle. A pretty classic trading pattern within Bitcoin, with it being a bigger commodity and a lot of institutions are in play. They will be looking at these kind of old school style patterns. So it's not too surprising that this, this will probably, hopefully play out. We could argue that there's, a double top here. However, I don't think so. And the reason I don't think so is today, on September the 3rd, we've got a $655 million expiration. And I think the bulls are very, very interested in pushing this price above 50k before that takes off. So within the next 24 hours, I do think we'll be retesting 50k and beyond. And I actually do think we'll be breaking 50k today. However, we do need to look at both sides of the coin. So as you can see here, I believe it will drop down to about 49.2k from here. Then there'll be another strong push up to this 50.5k, which is proving to be the resistance to break, the resistance to flip before we can finally deem it as bullish. And yes, like I said, I think a lot of the whales are going to be focusing very, very hard on this bounce here. As you can see, there was a big sell-off straight away there. Some of the key things that are in play at the moment, the USA is online. That could have been partly part of the reason why there was a bit of a sell-off. In the short term, we're seeing that the alpha momentum is turning green, and this means that the dominance is dropping, there is volume going into the alt market, and BTC price is rising. This is the perfect combination of everything for alts to start to pump. It's not quite hit it in the longer period just yet, which is the larger green arrow here on the alpha momentum. But the great thing with this indicator, it is basically it just tells you when to be trading in alts and when to not be trading in alts, or longing and shorting. It is the perfect crutch perk, I guess, cheat code, if you will. And of course, if you want to get your hands on it, then just join the BlockParty premium group, and it's all included. It's amazing. We don't separate everything. We don't put everything behind a paywall. But yes, definitely helpful in so many different scenarios when trading crypto. And what else have we got here? We did see, yesterday, when was this? Yesterday, it was yesterday at 1 p.m. There was a signal flashing on the alpha volume as well, and it was a short on the BPT index. And yep, if we'd have listened to that, then we'd have made it very quick and nice, 3.5%. Of course, stick your leverage on that, and it suddenly becomes a lot more. So, what else is there to say, really? I mean, long-term wise, not much has changed. From the 23rd of July, we kind of confirmed the bottom within BlockParty, and from there it's just gone strength to strength. We are on the final retest or final bounce, I'd say, before we go fully bullish, almost, you know, semi-parabolic. And yeah, I think we're probably going to be testing 60k pretty quickly. Last time we broke out of a key resistance on the big run up a few months ago, we were doing like 10k jumps in just a couple of like candles. So I think we're going to be seeing something like this. When Bitcoin breaks 50k, it just goes everywhere. It's on like Bloomberg every 5 minutes. You know, all of the kind of key mainstream medias will start talking about Bitcoin breaking 50k, and then that's when you get all of the serious FOMO traders. So I think we could shoot through from 50k to 60k. I wouldn't be surprised if it was in less than 24 hours before all the smart traders start selling off. And you know, here we are again. Everyone getting angry at cryptocurrency because they bought really high and they can't believe that people sold. Anyway, this kind of sums up our BTC analysis for today. Of course, like I said, make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification buttons, and you can be as up to date as possible on all of the Market Watch videos. So fingers crossed today, it's going to be a bullish and a very green day for the crypto market. Until next time, guys, remember, patience pays.